How to check recent activity on Android phone. First of all, launch Google application on your device. Sign into your account. Then navigate to profile icon at top right. Then select manage your Google account. You will navigate to this page where you will to choose data and privacy option at top right. Scroll down, look for history settings and tap on my activity button. You will land on my Google activity page. Scroll down. And now, these are all your recent activity on Android device. If you wish to manage, you can tap on delete button at top right and delete of all the time. You can choose the custom range also. So tap on always. And here you can choose different applications and then tap the next button at bottom right and your recent activity on Android phone will be deleted. And that's how you check the recent activity on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.